Well, hello, my frilly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina, and this is my shopping life, and hope you're having a great day so far. We're back shopping at ALDI. We're going to check out all the new arrivals we found this week, and let's get started with the sweep set. I like this. I'm actually going to grab this. I had one like a long time ago, like years ago, and I have no idea what happened to it, but I'm going to grab a new one. I like the green one, but you have three options, so any of them are really nice. $8.99, not bad for this set. And I always have to clean up the kitchen floor, so this is going to be really nice because I don't have to bend down with the dustpan. I can just easily sweep it up. Now the luxury pet sofa, this is really adorable. And honestly, little dog, a cat, $49.99. So not a bad price, because sometimes these could get really pricey. And the size of the box, I don't think you have to put anything together really. So here is the size right here, like 24 by 17 by 15. And then we have the reversible wall signs. Of course, the fall is coming right in. I believe today Starbucks started to sell their pumpkin spice lattes, and I make my own at home, but if you're interested, head on over to Starbucks for those. But these little signs are so cute. They're double-sided too, so if you get tired of one side, you can switch it on to another. And only $10 for the size of these. And look at this, look how cute. There's a little rope here, and you have a couple different options, and honestly you could put this up now all the way through Thanksgiving. So these are really nice. Now they have smaller ones if you want something a little smaller, $3.99, and also small in price. How cute is this? So it's Halloween and fall, so you could have either side that you want. So this is actually a really adorable. And of course football season is starting up, so pumpkin spice. And so I like these. These are really cute on a fireplace mantle, anywhere, honestly, anywhere you want to put these. And they're a perfect little size. Now for $9.99, this is a 3-piece flameless LED candle set. These are actually really pretty. I like, there's a couple different designs, so I like the one with like the wood, and you have like the grain and then the leaves. These are really pretty. $7.99 the pumpkin. Now these pumpkin candles, the outside of these, it's really, it's a really unique texture. Now I love the wick. Look at those. That is a really nice one. And the smell, these actually smell great. I just can't handle them. Is that texture really throws me off a little bit. I wish it was a little bit more smooth or velvety, but $8.99, the rattan designer jar candle. And these are nice, so a lot easier to handle, so they're smooth. Now the rattan, I believe you can just take that right off if you want to, and it has a single wick as well. Not as cool as the other one, but the smell of the other one is a lot better. Now $6.99. These are really cute, the little Woodland Critters, and they have some weight, so there is like beans or sand at the bottom. So wherever you put these, they're gonna stay still. So I do not recommend these for animals, because if they tear them up, you're gonna get stuff everywhere. Now $4.99. Here are some more cute little, now it's a mini gnome or a hedgehog. And so these are adorable, perfect for the fall. And if you want something a little larger, well, $8.99. Here they are. And you can tell people are already grabbing some. This one, he already has his pumpkin spice latte. He is ready to go. And for $4.99, this is wood and the stainless steel utensils. And these are nice. It's hard to find stainless steel utensils nowadays, and you have 4 different ones to choose from, and they're each $4.99. It's not for the set, but $14.99. This is a set, the faux wood pan set, and the faux wood is really, it's the handles, and the handles feel like silicone, and so those are 2 good sizes right here. And then right here, the fabric pumpkins, different ones to choose from. So you have the mini ones, or you just have a regular size one, different fabrics as well, $4.99 each. And now for $6.99, the mini wreath. This is actually really cute. You can see they have it on the back of the chair. It's very lightweight. And one of my friends who has she has double screen doors, she was wanting little wreaths on there. So these are perfect because they're lightweight and you have two different styles to choose from. $8.99, the ceramic pumpkins. Now this is nice because you have 6 different ones to choose from. And there's a good weight. Now be very careful because they are hollow, and so if they break, you don't want that. But really pretty. I like those. And the price is just right. Now $6.99. This is a wood board. We have 2 different styles. So you see it has a leather strap right there. And so you have a natural wood. So you could use these for charcuterie boards. And then you will have one here in black, and this is really cool as well. So both of these are really nice. And the price is just great. And then here's the wood chopping block. Now this is on the top shelf. So there's 2 different styles. We see the round and the square. So those are nice. And the price, again, the price is really great. And then $12.99 is a wood serving tray. So that is a good size. Especially if you're doing a lot of gatherings. You know, the fall is coming up. The holiday season is just around the corner. And then right next to it, this is already down on clearance. $6.99, an oversized grill pan. They marked it down from $8.49. And then for $4.99, okay, I do have a couple of these. I got these last year. This is that wire shelf. I absolutely love them, because they're easy to stack up. And so those are good to have, especially the $5 each. Now $6.99 each. These are the pantry baskets. And one of the reasons it's called pantry baskets because they are narrow. Because the pantries a lot of times, like ours for example, it's not very deep. But you have about 3 different styles. Now they have these stacked in and they are just hard to get out. So that's the only unfortunate thing with this display, is that you really have to kind of work at getting one out, because with the cardboard, they're all kind of stuck in there. So we have 3 different sizes, but these are nice. I do like those. Now for $6.99, the 18 by 30, the kitchen rug. So this is pretty. And you can use that rug anywhere, you know, not just in the kitchen. So there's several different designs, so you definitely want to kind of go through them, see different styles. And then for $9.99, the glass canister set. It's a 3-piece set with a wood top. So those are perfect for pasta or coffee. And right next to it, the Belgian waffle maker. And this is rotating. That's really cool. $29.99. And I have one very similar to this. Yeah, it has that rotating and non-stick plates and 1-inch thick waffles. Nice. For $12.99, we have the ladies pull-on pants. I only see 2 colors, the burgundy and the navy blue. Looks like they are tight like leggings. We have 4 sizes, small all the way up to X large. It's on the top shelf, so it's a little hard for me to see what else they have back there. And then for $14.99, they have the ladies wrap dress. It feels like really soft material. It's small through XL, and it's a really beautiful like plum color. And for $4.99, the greater assortment. So you could pick one or the other. So they have 2 different ones here. You have the handheld one. And so you have different grates. And then you have the wood handle. I like the rubber bottom on it because you can keep it in place. And then you have the rotary grater. I'm curious if you could switch the handle from one side to the other, because I'm left-handed and a lot of times these do not accommodate left-handed people. But if you have one of these and any of the items that we showed today, let us know in the comments below. But these are just always some great items. And the prices, seriously, the prices here at Aldi are really nice. And the return policy is very easy as well. Just hold on to that receipt. Now, this is really nice. The pendant lamp. It is very lightweight. But the price is absolutely amazing. And then for $4.99, the antibacterial cutting board. Well, that is interesting. And it's a 2-piece set. That is a really good price. And there's 2 different sizes as well. And each set is the same size. Now for $14.99, this is a 2-tier, okay. And as you can see, I'm going to slowly kind of pull this out. It's that flatware organizer. I love the idea of this. However, like this size would not fit my drawers. I wish there was more sizes, like, or they kind of like cut them down so you could adjust the sizes, because those will accommodate every drawer. Now right next to it is the sneakers, men's or ladies, $12.99. That is not a bad price at all. And I'm just going to open up one box. They're pretty much similar for both. And then for $14.99, these are really cute. The little pet beds. These are definitely for a small animal, but super soft. And one thing is nice, it has a zipper so you can take it off and wash it. That is always a plus. I always look for that in a pet bed. And several different styles to choose from. And now for $5.99, oh, the Woodfire Pizza. This looks really good. This is their brand, Specialty Select, and I like their brand. It's a little bit more of the nutrition. See if I can bring that up a little bit closer. Yeah, barbecue chicken. That sounds really good. Maybe because I'm hungry, but $3.29. These actually look really interesting. It's the chickenless bites. You have 2 different flavors, and it looks like there's 2 servings per bag. If you have tried these, again, let us know in the comments below. The price is actually really reasonable. And there's some information for you. And right next to it is something else that I have never seen before. Coconut cauliflower meal. And there's 14 grams of protein. And then right next to it is a sweet and spicy chickpea meal. Those are interesting, and those are $4.29. Here is some more information. Now $7.49, you have the Lobster Mac Cheese. That sounds really good. And then shrimp and lobster bake as well. And then for $4.99, this is a breakfast pizza. What a great idea. Because pizza anytime, I'm always for pizza. And then for $4.79, Oatmeal Bites. I'm starting to see a lot of these. Now there's blueberry and then maple brown sugar. And all you have to do, it looks like, is just heat these up. They're kind of right in the middle, so I'm kind of leaning over. Looks very good. Now I'm going to grab some of this. $3.69, the organic half and half. It's such a great price. And this again is the ALDI organic brand. And then we found some fall coffee. So pumpkin spice. It's naturally and artificially flavored. I really wish it was all natural because these are really easy flavors. You know, pumpkin spice, very easy to have. And then maple pecan, because sometimes when they're artificial, in my opinion, the flavor is just a little bit off, or it's almost like too strong. But they still sound good. And it really, you know, it's up to you. But those look like they're already ground up. Different coffees, I'm going to assume that they're all $3.95. There wasn't a separate coffee, but you can see like there's a breakfast blend, hazelnut, so some different flavors right here. And again, if you try their coffees, let us know in the comments below. So everybody, well, thank you so much for coming along to Aldi with me today, checking out all the new arrivals we found. And again, thank you so much for your time and for watching. Take care, and until next time we shop, I'll talk to you later.